I'm just asking.
Yes,
Is
Mr.
that rhetoric, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair,
Sa'yo.
yung,
Sagutin mo ako.
Mr.
Yes
Chair,
or no, is that rhetoric?
Mr. Chair, yung sinasabi ni Presidente during that time was in Dumoy.
My goodness, you're impossible. You are very impossible. Sasagutin mo lang ako eh. Binanggit mo rhetoric eh. Alam mo naman si Presidente. Binanggit mo, alam nyo naman si Presidente. Alam mo ang utak ng dating Pangulo? Rhetoric lang ba yung sinabi niya?
I'm sorry for the word, Mr. Chair.
Ayun.
I'm sorry for the word.
Salamat.
Mr. Chair, just a very short interjection if my good friend Congresswoman Jinky Luiso would allow me.
Well, the committee, Your Honor, does not really allow interjections. But since the good Congresswoman from Batangas allowed you to, then perhaps if it is maybe 30 seconds short, that you can...
It's very, very short, Mr. Chair. Can we play again the video?
Sige. Please play the...